Hi, I'm Andy Nelson, Product Marketing Manager at Houzz, and an accounting professional with over 25 years of experience. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through mapping your Houzz Pro account to QuickBooks Online. Start by clicking on the Financials tab in the left navigation bar. Select QuickBooks Online Dashboard to view your integration settings. Click on QuickBooks Online Settings to adjust your mapping and preferences. To sync documents created prior to your connection date, please adjust your sync start date here. Select your payment settings and decide if you want to exclude any documents from syncing to QuickBooks. Make sure to click Save before moving on. Click on Account Mapping to set up general account settings and customize product and service mapping. Select your deposit account for incoming payments and set up mapping for retainer and estimate payments. Select your bill pay accounts for vendor payments. Select an expense account to track vendor paid tax and map your accounts payable account, or leave the defaults. Now let's click on Products to set up custom income and expense mapping for your products. Select General Accounts from your QuickBooks Online chart of accounts, or leave the defaults. Custom mapping allows you to map your product categories to specific income and expense accounts in QuickBooks Online for a detailed profit and loss report. Click on Services to set the defaults and set up custom income and expense mapping, just like you did with products. Finally, you can custom map shipping here on the Services tab. If you have any questions regarding your QuickBooks Online integration, feel free to reach out to support through the link in your account.